I'm about to unbox my new mannequin holder, my new mannequin stand. So let's go. This is a suction on it, so it's supposed to like stick onto the table. And this is the one I used to use since hair school, and I'm about to finally retire it. So, okay. So I'm gonna just rip the box open like it's Christmas. All right, let's see what we got. Wrapped in plastic. I guess this is the stand. So cute. Okay. So, yeah, this is it. Now, how do I put this in this? Let me see. Maybe if I untwist this, you know, black people don't read the instructions. We just kind of just eyeball it. Okay. So I guess put this like this, just using my common sense, and tighten it back up. So this is the part where the head sits on, and this is the wheel that makes it tight. So the tighter you turn this wheel, the looser this gonna be. Yep, the tighter you turn the wheel, the harder it's gonna turn the wheel, basically, because it makes it, you know, stable. Okay, so now, so the ultimate test is to see if it's gonna stick on this table real good. All right, so I guess you put this lever down. What it say? Yeah, so I guess you put this lever down, and it's supposed to, hold on. Oh. So do you push it down first and pull the lever tight. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I remember when I tried it, and they had like a sample one in the hair store, and I tried that and it worked. I hope I'm just doing it wrong, but this seemed like, okay, let's read. Tightly grips the mannequin or wig head for easier styling combing. Adjustable wheel makes it. It's not telling me how to do it. I don't know. Okay, I think. What? Is it supposed to be like on a certain surface? Certain type of surface? Okay, then push it down a lot and then pull it down. Okay. Now, I don't know if mine's broke. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I'm finna go to YouTube and see how to do this thing. But when I tried it in the store, it worked, so I'm trying to figure out why it's not working. So now we up in here. You got it?
Okay, I get it.
Well, how you do it?
So this, and then you turn it this way, and you lock it in place. And there you go. Really?
No.
Like this.
Like, I even looked it up on YouTube. It's not one video on YouTube.
Lock in place.
Lift it up. Man. So come to find out, the flatter the surface, the better it's going to attach. Now, this is the counter in the kitchen. Obviously, I'm not doing hair in the kitchen, but it's working on this counter. So we're going to move it to a table I normally do my hair on. Hold on 1 second.
Because this ain't truly flat. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's not really all that flat. But we're going to try it on this table. It's going to come off, but you got to force it off. And if anybody know about wigs and mannequin stands and heads and mannequin heads and all that kind of stuff. You know, once we get the pulling and tugging on this right here, it need to be as stable as possible. Yeah, it's just gonna lift up. Like, I don't know.
You gotta be in the kitchen.
I'm not doing hair in no kitchen.
Look.
Nah. the flatter the surface, the better, obviously. But the surface I do hair on, it's not gonna work out.
See, look.
So hey,
It's working.
I bet so. They call me a kitchen beautician for a reason, so I guess I'm gonna be doing hair in the kitchen from now on. All right. So there's Annie suction stand mannequin holder, easily suctions to a variety of surfaces.
Your surface dirty.
And I guess my surface dirty, so I'm about to go do some cleaning.
You know what they gonna say when you call? They gonna say, "Excuse me, ma'am, your surface not flat."
Well, they need to make something for bumpy surfaces. All right, y'all. So yeah, that's the Annie suction stand mannequin holder, and now you see what I'm working with.